Rebuilding Trust, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an incredibly important topic in both personal relationships and professional environments. We can rebuild trust. Understanding this phrase is crucial for English language learners, as it encapsulates hope, responsibility, and the process of healing. Let's explore what it means to rebuild trust and how we can apply this in our daily lives. Trust is the foundation of any strong relationship. It's the belief or confidence that one person has in the reliability, integrity, and honesty of another person. But what happens when that trust is broken? It can lead to feelings of betrayal, hurt, and doubt. However, the good news is, trust can be rebuilt. We can rebuild trust is a phrase that signifies hope and willingness to work through challenges to restore that lost confidence. When someone says, "We can rebuild trust," they're expressing a few key things. Commitment. There's a mutual desire to repair the relationship. Effort. Both parties are willing to put in the work required to rebuild trust. Process. Trust rebuilding is a process that takes time and patience. Hope. There's optimism about the future of the relationship. This phrase is powerful because it acknowledges the problem while also focusing on the solution and the future. Rebuilding trust isn't easy, but it's possible with dedication and understanding. Here are some steps to consider. 1. Acknowledge the issue. The first step is to openly discuss what led to the breach of trust. 2. Apologize sincerely. If you're at fault, offer a genuine apology. 3. Set clear expectations. Discuss what both parties need from each other moving forward. 4. Follow through on promises. Actions speak louder than words. Consistently meeting your commitments rebuilds trust over time. 5. Communicate openly. Regular, honest communication is key to overcoming obstacles and preventing future misunderstandings. Rebuilding trust is a journey that requires time, patience, and effort from all involved parties. Remember, saying, "We can rebuild trust," is just the beginning. Through commitment and open communication, it's possible to heal and strengthen relationships. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of trust and the path to rebuilding it. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing for more insightful content. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning together.